In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create threads in Discord. To get started, open Discord on whatever device you normally use. You can launch the desktop app, open it on your phone, or go to Discord in your web browser. The process is very similar across platforms, so even if your screen looks slightly different, the overall steps are the same. Once Discord is open, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. After that, head to the server where you want to create the thread. Threads are useful when you want to keep a specific side conversation organized without cluttering the main channel, so choose the server where that discussion belongs. Next, open the text channel where the conversation will take place. This is important because threads are created from messages inside a channel, not as completely separate spaces from the start. When you're in the right channel, find the message you want to turn into a thread. Usually this will be a message that starts a topic people may want to reply to in more detail. When you found the message, hover your mouse over it if you're on desktop. If you're using mobile, tap and hold the message instead. This will open the available message options. From there, select Create Thread. This tells Discord that you want to turn that message into its own focused discussion. After choosing that option, Discord will ask you to name the thread. Give it a clear, descriptive name so other members immediately understand what the thread is about. A good thread name makes it easier for everyone to stay organized, especially in busy servers with lots of ongoing conversations. You may also see an option to set the auto archive duration. If this is available, choose how long the thread should stay open before Discord automatically archives it after inactivity. This can help keep channels tidy while still giving people enough time to respond. If you're discussing something urgent or active, a longer duration may be more helpful. Once everything looks good, click or tap Create Thread to finish setting it up. At that point, the thread will open and be ready to use. Now you can start the conversation by typing your message directly inside the thread. If needed, invite other members to join the discussion so the right people can participate. Keeping replies inside the thread helps the main channel stay cleaner and makes it easier for everyone to follow the topic. And that's how to create threads in Discord.